What do you think you're doing?
Oh, I'm
I don't
just.
actually care. I didn't ask. Why the heck are you sitting when you should be making goddamn videos? Your dusty ass haircut, and people know you have a big ass nose. Yeah, they know. Yeah, it's big.
It's not that.
Get up and rig. I'm not gonna ask again. Now. Okay, what can I build? Anything around here? Anything important? Um, let's pretend we didn't see that, and let's go do something important and build this hammer. Let's go restore this hammer. This is important. It's so important, I think I can make a 4.5 minute video in the hopes of monetary gain and fame. I think that sounds perfect. This is my grandpa's hammer, and I know he would hate to see it like this because he loved and cherished this hammer. So that kind of makes me feel bad, but if you look on the bright side, he's dead, so you'll never actually get to see it like this. So there's always positive in everything you look at. If you laughed at that, you're sick! So subscribe. Please. 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 Please do. Please. You know, this is turning exquisite. It's turning keck, pog. I also hope at this point of the video you can see I'm using these words to kind of distract you from the fact that I haven't paid my power bill. And I don't intend on paying it. If the government wants another dime out of me, they're going to have to rip it out of my cold, dead hands. Again. When you're trying to work out the final details of your wood handle, it's often useful just to grasp it with your hand, and with your other hand, use stroking patterns up and down, firmly grasp it, and see where the little bumps are. So you just run your hand along your wood, and then you should be finished eventually. I ran out of jokes, and I want to keep this quite brief because we're nearing the end of the video. So concision is kind of key here. I'm going to try to be very concise with my words and make sure I don't drag this out. The last thing I would want to do is drag out the last part of this monologue, so to speak, or more of, I guess, like a dialect. I don't know, what would you call it? Dialogue, monologue, voiceover? I don't know. Anyways, I want it to be known that I'm trying to be concise, and concision is kind of like the most upright importance right now, and I really want to make it like kind of known that I really hope I'm being concise. Let me think. Anything else I gotta say about concision and being concise and staying on topic? I don't think so. I think I'm done. I think I'm done with my concision. Being concise. Now that this hammer's restored, I want to give a little tribute to my grandpa and show you guys just a glimpse of what he used this hammer for in the past.